In recent years, drones have revolutionized the battlefield, offering nations a new way to extend their military reach without risking human lives. Among the countries investing heavily in this technology is Iran, whose advances in drone capabilities have captured the attention of both military analysts and global powers alike. As of 2025, Iran has unveiled a new generation of drones, pushing the boundaries of what unmanned systems can achieve. These drones come in various types, each designed for specific missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes. The Iranian B1 Bavar reconnaissance and strike loitering munition was presented for the first time at the Army 2024 military exhibition as explained at the Iranian stand. The quadcopter drone is designed to detect and destroy stationary or moving targets at short ranges. If a target is detected, the Bavar will destroy it, while if the flight mission is cancelled, the B1 returns to the launch site and is made ready for a new flight after replacing the battery. The drone maximum takeoff weight is 7 kilograms, the payload weight being 2 kilograms. The drone dimensions by the propellers are 580 by 580 millimeters. Depending on the type of target to be hit, the Bavar B1 can be fitted with a rod-type warhead containing 40 metal rods, or with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead containing 200 fragments each weighing 1.5 grams. An optoelectric camera fitted with a 10x zoom is located under the warhead and provides high-quality images. A removable battery is installed at the rear of the platform. The drone is controlled by one operator. It takes less than 5 minutes to assemble the Bavar and prepare it for flight. The drone takes off and returns to the launch site in vertical mode. Bavar B1 drones can be used in a swarm, with up to 10 units in one sortie. The Bavar B1 system includes a ground control station with a display and antenna, a quadcopter, a warhead, a battery, and an optoelectric camera. According to information available, the drone endurance in the strike version, fitted with a 2 kilograms warhead, is 25 minutes, while that in the reconnaissance configuration, without the warhead, is 35 minutes. The data link allows an operating range of 10 kilometers. In the strike version, the flight range is 12 kilometers, while in the reconnaissance version it is increased to 15 kilometers. The Bavar B1 maximum speed is 80 kilometers per hour. It can fly against a wind with a constant speed of 30 kilometers per hour, and also withstands additional gusts of wind 20 kilometers per hour. It must be assumed that Iran did not accidentally choose the Army 2024 exhibition to demonstrate its Bavar B1 loitering munition. Currently, the airspace over the Ukrainian theater of military operations is saturated with loitering munitions and FPV drones. The daily consumption of these munitions along the entire front is measured in thousands of units. Therefore, it is possible that the new Iranian development may appear in the Ukrainian theater of operations and undergo testing there in real combat conditions. Iran's drone capabilities are not just a matter of technological achievement but are also a central component of its military strategy. Drones provide Iran with several key advantages in modern warfare. They are cost-effective, allowing the country to carry out complex missions at a fraction of the cost of traditional manned aircraft. The ability to deploy drones in high-risk areas without risking human life has made them an essential part of Iran's defense strategy. In addition to their tactical benefits, drones give Iran the ability to project power across the region. Iranian drones have been used in operations across the Middle East, from Syria to Iraq and Yemen. This capability allows Iran to maintain a presence and influence far beyond its borders, even as it faces international sanctions and military pressures from rival states, particularly the United States and its allies. The strategic importance of these drones becomes even clearer when considering the challenges faced by Iran's adversaries. Iran's drones allow it to target air defense systems, disrupt enemy communications, and strike critical infrastructure, all without the need for a large-scale military confrontation. As such, Drones are seen as force multipliers in Iran's asymmetric warfare tactics.